Okay, next problem tayo. So you have problem 33. A uniform bar has two small balls glued to its end. Excuse. The bar is 2 meter long. Bar 2 meter long. Drawing na natin. You have a bar 2 meter long. Then you have a ball. May ball siya kuno sa maging solid to siya. Paano ba ito maging solid? Fill. Solid color. Up, up. Ito. Yan. Ito. Tapos, drawing tayo dito. Dalawang ball. Tapos, fill. Op. Galing. Diba? Ganda talaga. Ano bang pinagsabi nito? A uniform bar has two balls glued to its end. The bar is 2 meter long. So, we can expect the bar is 2 meters. 2 meter long bar. Then, ano yung sabi niya? Long and has a mass of 4 kilograms. So, the mass of this bar is 4 kilogram. And then, mass of 0.5 kilogram. Yung mga balls, mass nito is 0.5 kilogram. Mass 0.5 kilogram. Then, can be treated as point masses. So, paglaran mga points, meaning mass lahya. Mass lahya. Waraya reduce. It's point masses. So, kita na yung mga words. Dirty and sphere dito ang ibabutang. So, the fact na gintatagaan ka mohin mga simple case. So, gintitreat layer ni mo nga kita ko na yan yung ma-fit. Find the moment of inertia of this combination about each of the following axis. So, A, axis perpendicular to the bar through its center. So, talaga, ni mo letter A, may dani mo axis nga, ani din nabot nga. So, that's the axis. So, meaning, the first ni mo nga case, ini. Para ni mo bar. Para ni mo bar, tapos para ni mo ball, taon general equation. Actually, yung general equation, amo lang niya. mr squared, di man mga ball. Basta mga point masses sira, that would just be n mass. Tapos, ang imo, kahirayo, tikang ito nga point center, R. Okay? Sa amin ito, ang imo ball, mass gudlat yan, anhin, animo R. Amin ito yan asing point masses. Tapos, of course, ipalalawa mo ka ng figure, animo bar. Okay? So, meaning, combination ni nga duha, I would be, the moment of inertia would be I, tapos sa mission ng duha nga ball, tapos ang imo ka ng bar. So, meaning, masolid ito hiya, your I really would be ball 1, mr squared ball 1, if this is 1 ball 1, this is m1 r1, plus m2 r2. Okay? And then, of course, for your bar, that would be this guy over here, the 112 ml squared. The 1/12, and then you have ml squared. So, we substitute everything. Mass 1 is 0.5 kilogram, and then your R is, of course, yung 2 meter na hinati sa gitna. So, that would be a 1 meter. Okay, hinati. Half lang. That is your R, your axis of rotation. Galing dito hanggang dito. So again, wala siyang radius. Point squared, pareho rin sa isa, 0.1, 0.5 kilogram, 1 meter squared, at saka 1 over 12. Mass ng bar is 4 kilogram. Tapos, yung length niya is 2 meter. 2 squared. Meter squared. Okay? So, diretso lang siya. 0.5 plus 0.5 plus 1 over 12 times 4 times 4. So, total is 2.33. 2.33 kilogram meter per second squared. Moment of inertia, ano ba? Ito yung parang center ng kilogram square meters. Parang mini-measure kasi dito yung center of mass ng whole system. So, hindi siya masyadong na-imagine. Diba? But anyway, i-take na lang yung definition niya. That is, I mean yung formula niya. Because in relation talaga, this is centroid. Kung saan yung, for a particular shape, saan yung center ng gravity niya. Parang ganun siya. Anyway, that is I. A. That is your letter A. Then, we go to letter B. An axis perpendicular to the bar through one of the balls. So, through one of the balls, meaning, magdadalawa lang siya. Kasi kung nandito yung letter B mo, letter B, it's let's say, yung center ng axis of rotation mo is nandyan. So, I would just be equal to itong isang ball, let's say that is M1, R1 squared. Pero, of course, makakonsume na niya yung 2 meter. Ito siya, kasi point lang naman siya, wala. Wala siya kasi dyan yung rotation sa body niya. Ibig sabihin, wala siyang R. Magsisiro yung R. Though may M siya, pero wala siyang R. So, wala yung pangalawa, but yung rad mo, pareho pa rin. Hindi. May formula siya na separate. Ito, 1/3 ml squared. So, you have a 1/3 ml squared. 1/3 ml squared. So, substitute tayo. 0.5 kilogram and then yung radius mo is 2 meters. So, 2 meters na yung layo niya squared. So, kilogram to dito. Plus 1/3. Tapos, ano yung mass ng bar mo? That is 4 kilogram. Tapos, yung layo niya is, yung length niya is 2 rin. 2 squared meter squared. So, yung sa wala. So, ito yung 0.5. 0.5 times 4 plus 1/3. 1/3 times 4 times 4. So, that will give us 7.33. 7.33. Ibig sabihin, mas malakas talaga yung parang rotation niya dito pag nandito siya dito. Diba? Kaysa nandito sa center. 7.33, that is kilogram meter squared for your letter B. How about for your letter C? Be an axis perpendicular to the bar through one of the balls. C, an axis parallel to the bar through both balls. So, parallel to the bar and then both balls. Parang tatamaan silang lahat eh. Kasi point circle lahat. Parang ganito siya, pero walang radius. Tapos yung ball naman, wala. Walang radius din. So basically, yung letter C, is 0 yan. An axis parallel to the bar to the both balls. So parang dito yung axis eh. Dito yan. Yan. Dito yung axis. Yan. So parang walang mga radius to eh. Kasi mga basically, so sabihin, wala talagang center of, wala, 0 yung center of mass. For letter C. Letter C, yung moment of inertia mo is 0. Okay? That's the axis parallel to the bar, both balls. An axis parallel to the bar and 0.5 meter from it. 0.5 meters. So, kung yung medyo malayo, sabihin nandito yung axis niyan. Somewhat 0.5 meter dito banda. Ito yung axis. So, that is yung 0.5 meter ito. 0.5 meter yung layo nito. Galing dyan hanggang dyan. Ganito rin dito, 0.5 dito. Galing dyan hanggang dyan. 0.5 meter galing dyan. Okay? So, okay. So, letter D, yung I dyan. Letter D, yung I dyan, of course, yung itong dalawa, tapos, which is M1 R1 squared plus M2 R2 squared. Tapos, plus yung bar mo. 2 meters 4 kilo. ml squared. Okay? ml squared lang siya. Para siyang point particle along that axis. Tapos radius. So, ibig sabihin, yung bar mo, magiging yung formula niya, magiging mr squared lang. Parang ganito lang siya. Kasi yung center of rotation mo, hindi siya kasi yung formula na binigay sa'yo is sa perpendicular sa body niya. So, kung hindi siya perpendicular sa body, yung magiging formula mo is magiging M3R3. R squared 3. Okay? So, ito yung una mong balls, 0.5 kilogram, tapos 0.5 squared, meter squared. So, dalawang ganito. So, times 2 plus yung M3 mo is 4 kilo. 4 kilogram. Tapos, ano yung rotation yan? Rotation nito is yung 0.5. Diba? Wala na yung length niya. Kasi yung mass niya hindi, yung center niya nasa kuan na niya, nasa mass na niya yan. Okay? So that is 0.5. 0.5 yung distance ng bar papunta sa axis of rotation. So 0.5 squared. Yun yung R niya. Okay, magiging point particle siya. Along that line of axis, 0.5 squared. So meter squared. Okay? And then you have 0.5 times 0.5 squared times 2 plus 4 times 0.5 squared. So basically you have 4 kilogram. For MR. So 0.5. Kilo, 0.5 yung radius niya. So, 1.25. Anyway, yung binigay. Point. Oh, yun na yata yan. So, thank you guys for listening. Okay, next problem tayo.